Hey designers, if you're looking for high-quality mock-ups, Dieline templates, and packaging designs, and you want to save big, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get 50% off on all of Pacdora's amazing design tools. But before we jump in, if you're new to the channel or haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on awesome deals and design tips. Now, let's talk about how you can grab that 50% discount. So, what exactly is Pacdora? It's the ultimate resource for designers, offering the largest collection of mockups, die-line templates, and 3D rendering tools. Whether you're working on product packaging, branding, or just need stunning visual assets, Pacdora makes the process faster and easier with real-time 3D previews and easy-to-use tools. To grab your 50% off, all you need to do is click the link in the video description. When you click that link, and the exclusive discount code will be revealed right there. Just copy the code and paste it at checkout to get 50% off your entire order. It's super simple. Click the link, browse through Pacdora's amazing templates and mockups, copy the code, and apply it at checkout. That's it. You're done and you've saved 50%. Pacdora helps you create professional quality designs without the hassle. And now with this awesome discount, you can get all of those incredible resources at half the price. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up and share it with your fellow designers. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another video full of design tips and exclusive deals. Thanks for watching and happy designing!